Hi everyone. Today we're gonna work with Claude skills and we're gonna see a very simple example on how to create it and how to use it directly on Claude.ai on the web version. So these are very simple set of instructions that would not just save you time, but make you more consistent in terms of the results that you'd like to see. And the one example we're gonna check together is on the brand design guidelines. So here, all you need is to start with a simple prompt. Hey, Claude, can you create a Claude skill that we're going to call dark mode design based on the following input? So this is it. This is all you need. I'm gonna name it dark mode design. I love dark mode, and I have a certain set of instruction in terms of color palette I want it to use all the time, a specific font style, and a specific set of basically design, UI, and layout. And that's all you need in terms of prompt. And then you add the instructions. As you can see here, basically, I'm using the JetBrains Mono as my font family. These are my color codes, text colors, the UI colors, the borders for my containers, etc. So these are very simple. You don't even sometimes need all of this. All you need is the main colors, 3, 4, 5 colors, and a font, and you can start using that. And you let Claude do the rest of the job. Because as you can see here, even if I'm putting this as a structured CSS file, basically it's a set of colors, and these color codes you can fetch from any color system you'd like to use. Every single color has a specific code. These are the main background colors. These are the text color with different white and gray tones, etc. And some accent colors to create some pop themed layout and look and feel. And from there, basically, Claude will take these settings and will create a single skill file in an MD format that you are able then to download and reuse anytime, anywhere you want on all of your Claude instances. And this basically, if you have a report to present, if you have an artifact to produce, if you have a landing page, if you have any visual output, even PowerPoints, even website pages, etc., you can call back this skill in a very simple, natural language, asking Claude, hey, can you use the dark mode for this landing page? Can you use our brand guidelines? And that's all you need. There's no technical setup. There's no particular settings you need to go through with another level of difficulty. This is basically what you're seeing and how it works. So you can see the steps that Claude is taking, which basically these are the instruction that it's going to take, put into a single file in a very structured template, because all of these are following basically the same format, structure, and template, and they're gonna be reused at a lower level of tokens compared to you sharing all of those instruction, which gonna take more context and more consume more tokens. With the skills, basically they are on demand and they're gonna use much less tokens and consume much less context, which is more economic for you, but also more effective for Claude, because in that case there is no basically forgetting of that particular context. And you can see here it's going to be a skill.md file, and that's where the specific instruction for this dark mode design skill will be added. You can see here, replace the template skill.md with the dark mode design system documentation. That's basically all it is. So Claude has a template of a skill MD, and then it's almost like fill in the blanks with your own custom instruction for that specific use case. And here in particular for our video, it's a dark mode design that I'm gonna reuse basically all the time in every single chat, and it's consistent across the board. That means I'm not gonna basically repeat myself every time I have a new design, a new chat, or copy paste from a node that I saved somewhere, etc. And you can see here, basically checking the content, reusing a number of, how do you call it, steps. And we'll be waiting for the final result, which is a single file available for the download. And from there, you're almost set. All you need to do is to upload again that skill file into the Claude settings, and you're set. So we're almost here. There you go. So I think it replaced the full template and the skill is almost ready. And from here, you can even like check what's going on. There you go. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is also something you can use across the web, the Claude desktop app, and even the mobile. There you go. It's done. I've created your dark mode design, the skill package, etc. We have the typography, we have the structure. We have our color palette, as you can see with these codes. All you need is probably like 5 colors max that would basically create a consistent look and feel for your content and output. And as you can see, the skill triggers when creating dark themed interface, application, websites, documents, or presentation. That's it. So this is the dark mode design. We're gonna download it, and it's a single file, as you can see, dark mode design. That's all you need. And from here, we're gonna go back to the settings. We're gonna go to capabilities, and under skills here, you can upload a skill. And this is where basically you're gonna add that famous skill. There you go. Skill uploaded successfully, as you can see here. We call it dark mode design. So now, if we're gonna create a new chat, for example, create a new landing page saying hello world in a simple way using our dark mode design. So this is it. It's one sentence. I didn't specify any particular set of design instruction in terms of color. What do you need to use as fonts, etc. Nothing. So it's gonna create a hello world HTML file that is basically using my theme. And this is the instruction. We can say, okay, add few components so we can see it a little bit more. So basically, it's using the JetBrains font. It's using the main colors on a dark theme with the orange as an accent one. And here, it's going to basically add like navigation, hero section with a call to action, some feature cards, some footer, etc. And that's it. There you go. And you can even see the code. So you can see here on the JetBrains mono, we have the famous colors. And if we go back, there you go. Hello world, a minimal landing page demonstrating clean design. We have the cards here. You can see these are basically the instruction I shared in terms of the type of text color, text contrast, and the containers for optimized visibility. We have the hello here, features about contact, buttons working perfectly. And this is all you need to do. You choose your colors, you upload your logo, you add the fonts for your favorite text look and feel, and then you put that back into Claude Skills, and you're good to go. Hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and see you in the next video.